Good morning and welcome back to Serene Education. Today we're going to be having a look at the Fibonacci Retracement and Fibonacci Projection tools. I think that there is a lot of confusion about how to use them and when to use them. So today we're going to have a look at a quick example. First of all, let's have a look at your Fibonacci Retracement. In order for us to be able to use the Fibonacci Retracement tool, we need to see a trend moving in an upward direction. The trend needs to be broken and it needs to start moving in the opposite direction. So if we have a look here, we've got a trend moving in an upward direction. If we wanted to, we could go in and we could draw in our trend line. See how price has broken that trend line and has started to move in a downward direction. This is when we would use our Fibonacci Retracement tool. It would give us an indication of Fibonacci support and resistance. So if we come across over here and we click on Fibonacci Retracement, we take it from the low point up to the high point and let it go. Here we have been given our areas of support and resistance: 23.6, 38.2, 50, 61.8 and 100%. So what this is telling us, this is an area where price can come to before it makes a change in direction, or if it breaks through it can come down to this area and so on. So let's move forward. Here we can see that it broke through. It came down and look what it's meeting over here, the 200-day moving average, another strong area of support and resistance. We could possibly see a bounce along here. If we carry on, we see that bounce off the 200-day moving average. Let's just go forward a little bit here. Then we can have a look at this area over here, the 23.6%. It acted as a support. Price tried to break up to the upside. That support stopped it and it broke back down again. Now that it's close below here, we're looking at this area over here, our 50%, as our next target. And it goes through there. It comes back, it uses it as an area of resistance. And it bounces along, and it's broken. Okay, if we're looking at Fibonacci support and resistance in terms of using this retracement tool, that could possibly be our next target down here. But as traders, we know we need to put in our long-term support and resistance. So seeing this bounce over here, that could be our next potential target that we are going to be heading towards. Alright, so let's take off all these lines here and we will look at the next tool, which is a Fibonacci projection. A Fibonacci projection is when you are looking for a target. Okay, there might not be something that's really jumping out at you. In order to use this tool, we need to have a move, either in an upward or downward direction. In this case, a downward direction, a pullback, and then another move back in that direction. It's as if you've seen a flag and a breakout of that flag. That's when you can use this tool. So we go to the Fibonacci projection. We go from a high point to the low point and we let it go. We go back here from the low point to the high point and we let it go. So what can it tell us about price at the moment? It's made 100% move plus of the previous move. It's made 100% of this move over here. Okay, it made a little bit of a sideways movement and it's now broken out. In terms of support and resistance, this over here could be the next Fibonacci support that we could be heading towards. I hope that this has been of help to you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send an email to support@sereneeducation.co.uk. Thank you. Goodbye.